The only way I think you can bring a boat like this to life is to have passionate individuals involved with the entire process of creating it. The Tech Center is a collaboration of some of the best engineers and designers in the industry.
We've got everything from consumer insights, design, engineering, naval architects, structural engineers, electrical engineers, drafting, every discipline of engineering that you can imagine underneath one roof.
In a way, it's like walking into this laboratory of brilliant people who are studying everything happening in the world and pulling into our industry what's relevant and important.
I think we're trying to make technology backgrounded. And I think the things that people appreciate most is when technology is largely invisible, but enabling.
Honestly, it's very different than the rest of the industry. Nobody has the capability that we have.
The fact that the new generation of models is being built right where they make it as well, there's a huge benefit to learning through the fabrication process and to make sure that the DNA of the brand is absolutely embodied in the manufacturing operations as much as the design. So if you can think of it as sort of the heart and the mind living together in the Tech Center, that's been the intent. And the way to get to the future faster is to prototype. So it's one of the most important dimensions of our process is to not just imagine, but to build.
To see where the team's going and what is next is even more spectacular. And
today, we have advanced modeling techniques, including virtual reality that has finally come into its promise, where we can very immersively build a boat model and feel as though we're on it before it's ever been fabricated. It's a stunning change.
How amazing to be in Florida, having done a design, put on your headset and you're inside the boat you just designed to feel out the visual kind of spatial elements and make sure that it fits.
And then on top of that, we have full prototyping capability. We have 5-axis mills, so we can mill all of our own tooling.
We embrace state-of-the-art tools, and we have a very strong capability in hydrodynamic design and nautical architecture, so that the technical aspects of our hulls are as important as the aesthetic.
What the tools that we have allow us to do is be assured that once we get the boat on the water and we start running it, it's going to be successful and do what we want. And it also allows us to optimize our product, right? So we're not putting in things that we don't need.
Sea Ray's expert at building boats. You know, let's face it, I mean, they have the top technology, they have the top people, top designers. It's not just designing the boat, but they can manifest it in reality in a way that from the drawing table to the water, very little is lost.
I really believe that there's nothing that we can't do coming out of the Tech Center.